Hey, this is Derek with IncomeSmasher. Today we're going to learn work from home jobs. Okay, so the jobs that you can get pretty easily, pretty straightforward, that you can just work from home. You don't have to go to an office. You don't have to go, outdoors and do like lawn mowing or whatever. So we're going to go over that, and then if you stay to the end, we're going to go over a couple of the best jobs to work from home, the ones that can make you the most money or do the best for you. So let's get started. And I'm going to share my screen, show you some of these awesome ways you can make money and work from home. So the first one is affiliate marketing. So if you look at this website right here, this is traintofightback.com. This is one of my websites. And you can do affiliate. So affiliate, all it means is you go out and you sign up for a program. So right here I signed up for Amazon, and we're reviewing MMA gloves. So, if you're into MMA training or karate training or martial arts or whatever, and you want a pair of these gloves, we kind of review each one and recommend which ones we think are the best ones that you should buy. This is the RXT8. As you can see, I have a link here. This link will go to my affiliate for Amazon. If somebody buys this, I make a commission. So it's the first way. Set up a website, set up a YouTube channel, and you can put affiliate links and go sign up with Amazon or whoever you want. You can even go directly to RDX or the manufacturers. A lot of times they have their own programs that pay you more than Amazon does. So RDX, I'm pretty sure I'm signed up with their program and they pay more than Amazon. So I signed up for their affiliate. And then if somebody clicks this and buys it, I make a small commission. The next one is so there's a bunch of different things you can do from home that are job oriented, that you kind of like your independent contractor, like you can do your own work. Fiverr offers you a lot of that, graphic design, digital marketing. So we have a bunch of them that we'll go over with you. One of them is an animator. So if you look here and you pull in, you just put animator. Whatever you can do that you're skilled at, whether it's graphic design, digital marketing, writing, whatever. So as you can see here, these art animators can make, pretty good money, 90 bucks, 240, 50. So I would look at your competition, see what they're charging, see what they're charging for, and then as an animator, see what you can do, and then put your gig on here and start making money. Now, everything we talk about today, all the different websites will be in the link, or in the description, and I'll have a link to them, so you can just go down there and go to any of these sites and check them out. So that's Animator. And then the other one is, if you want to do a blog, right? So I have a blog and then I have a YouTube channel. And so a lot of times I talk about, how to start, grow, and scale an online business, right? So it's called IncomeSmasher. This is my site. I have a bunch of different tools that I talk about: hosting, how to set up hosting, the best website builders, SEO tools. And then in blogging, just like I had discussed with my previous website, you can put affiliate links. You can have online courses where you teach people how to do different things and they pay you for that. And all you have to do is people come in here and they learn how to start a blog, or how to make money on YouTube, or how to start an e-commerce site, or how to make money blogging. And a lot of teaching on, trying to show people what to do online to make money. That's what the website's all about. And you can do that. Then the other one is, if you look here, consulting business. So if you look here, Melinda P is an independent consultant in Arlington, Virginia. She does consulting. Consulting can be a big money. I mean, if you know and you're skilled at something and you can do consultant from home, you can get on the phone, consult with people, help them with whatever maybe they're working on a project, and you're an IT consultant and you're really good with whatever, project management, coding, putting in telecom systems, whatever it is. You can consult, help companies make money, but you're not, you're like an independent contractor, so you're just working, and you can work from home and make really good money as a consultant. And the more skilled you are, the more money you can make. So the other thing is, on Fiverr, we had talked about like you can be a data entry or virtual assistant, anything up here that you can do. You can look at all these and say, oh, all right, I'm really good at animation, or I'm really good at writing. And so you can do any of these different things under those categories and set up your own small little business on here. And then people come and they buy different things from you based on your picture, based on, what your headlines say. And, really when I do these gigs on here and I have people do my logo for me or whatever, I look at the stars. Like if they have 5 stars and they have, at least some usage, 65 is pretty good, 116, 161. And then, the people with 1,000 users, or 334 with a 5 rating, that's really good. So this person for data entry might be a really good person to try out. And then you can look at their gigs, you hit that and it'll come in and it'll say, the basic is $5 for 1 hour of data entry. And then you can see, you can go to a standard, 2 hours is 10, premium 5 hours is 25. So they have different gigs. You hit continue and you just sign up for their gig and you do it. So you can be one of these people, and people would just come and sign up for you, and you can have a couple different packages for them that they can use. And that's how it works. Now, Fiverr is one of those, it's a really good way to, get on your own, start your own business, whether you're a graphic designer, artist, or, you want to write for people or whatever you want to do. It's a really good way to start. There's also Upwork, another place where you can go and you can put your information and put whatever gig it is you do. Like, hey, I do coding and I do HTML and I can build your website, or whatever you do, you can put on there and people come to you and then hire you to do these jobs. And then you charge up front, based on whatever the project is, or hourly. And so here's Upwork. I will show you real quick here. This is just kind of like Fiverr, a place where independent contractors, any one of these different things you can do: admin, customer service, data science, design, legal, sales, marketing, translation. So if you're an expert in any of these, you can set up your own gig and have people start using your services. This guy charges senior statistician $70 an hour. $40 an hour. I mean, that's pretty decent money. I mean, this isn't like, all these gigs aren't like, $4 an hour or $7 an hour. I mean, if you know what you're doing and you're highly skilled, you can make good money working from home. Now here's another one, copywriting. So like I said, on Fiverr, there's just so many different ways to make money at home. It just depends on your skill set, right? So there's this one. The other thing you can do is, set up an e-commerce store. So on my article right here, I kind of go through with you, how to set up an e-commerce store, how to research the products, what kind of products are you going to carry? Are you going to go on Amazon, or, use Walmart to sell your products, where to source your products from, Alibaba, AliExpress, using Google to find out the different trends. So it kind of goes through for you, what's available out there and how to use it. So it's a really good article. I have the link in the description if you want to check it out for you if you want to start an e-commerce store. So another one is Freelancer. So here's another place where you can go and, if you want to become a virtual assistant, you want to build websites, whatever your skill set is, you can sign up on Freelancer and you can get jobs. And obviously you want to look for jobs that are at home. Virtual assistants are usually always at home, right? If you're virtual, that means you're online at home. It doesn't mean you're in an office. If they want an assistant, it will just say assistant, not virtual assistant. You can write books for people. You can, uh, you know, do audio boards, help people out with their audio, do voiceovers. There's just so many things you can do. And so this is freelancer.com. Okay, the other thing is you can do, like, maybe you're skilled at educating people, educating kids. Maybe you're used to be a teacher, but you don't teach anymore, but you want to do teaching, but you don't want to do it in a classroom. So you can do, and you'd have to sign up for it, but you can be a tutor online and go in and help kids learn, um, help kids with tutoring, kids that are having trouble with math or English, or even kids that maybe are trying to do high school and they need to take the ACT, the SAT, and you're helping them study for it and prepare, to get a super high score on those. So tutoring, you can look at K-12. We'll have it in the description if you want to link to it. And then, you can also become a social media manager. So all those boards that we talk about, Freelancer, Fiverr, and this and that, you can post out there to be a social media manager, work from home, and help these companies with their social media accounts because they don't know how to manage them. And, if you look here on glassdoor.com, which this would be an actual job. I don't know if it's work from home, but you can set it up so you can work from home on this. But it tells you, your responsibilities: oversee day-to-day management of campaigns, ensure brand consistency, facilitate scaling the brand on social media channels. I mean, if you're good with social media, this would be a perfect job, and they actually pay really well. So you can make some good money being a social media manager. You can do surveys. I know people are always laughing about surveys because they think it's a scam, which I used to too. But once I did research into it, Swagbucks pays you really well, or halfway decent, to take these surveys. I mean, for what you're doing, it's pretty easy money. Now you're not going to get rich off of it, but extra money is extra money, and this is a great way to make extra cash. And then the other one, and these are really the best ways to make money. So I told you to stay to the end. We're going to kind of tell you the best ways to make money from home. And one of the best ways is to develop your own course. So develop a course, whether it's showing people how to make money on YouTube, how to make money online. Maybe you're going to show people you're going to have a camera course on how to use your camera, the best lighting, how to do lighting, how to set up lighting, what's the best lighting to buy, what's the best camera to buy. Like, there's so many things course-wise that you can set up, and you can help people learn how to do this. And then you can charge them for your course, and they'll have access to it. You can set it up as a membership, or it's a one-time fee, like maybe they pay $500 for your course and they get access to all this stuff, or you send it to them and they get your whole course delivered to them, and they can go through it at their own pace. Or you can charge them monthly. I'm going through a YouTube course to get better at YouTube, and it's $35 a month. So I'm going to take it 3 or 4 months and then go through the whole course, learn, and then cancel my membership. But it's a great way to make residual money and to really make good money right off the bat, because a lot of these courses are at least $100 to $500, and you can make really good money. Now, some of them are a little cheaper. If you look at Udemy, this was only $10, but look, 17,000 people have rated it. So that means at least 17,000 have bought it. Even at $10, that's $170,000 on just a small course on, hey, 27 ideas to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. That's a basic course. That's not really a high level one. If you look at some of the other ones, they probably have a lot more high level courses that would be more money. But basic courses you can develop in $10, $15, $20. I see a lot of courses in between $10 and $20 for the course. So that's one of the best ways. Develop your own course. Sell it online through Udemy or LearnWorlds or Teachable, or however you do it. And you can pitch it through YouTube. You can pitch, your channel through your own website and try to drive traffic to it and get people to buy your course. Now, the other way I think is really good is obviously what I'm doing now, and that's YouTube. If you're an expert or you know a lot about something and you want to, help people out, you can do a YouTube channel like I do. Obviously, you're watching this and you see the different videos that I have out there. They're pretty straightforward to make, pretty easy. All you need is a camera or a Logitech camera like I have, and then I can share my screen and show you different things online, and you can still see my face, and then you can switch over to like I just did to just seeing my face and not the screen. But YouTube's great. You can monetize a channel once you get to 1,000 subscribers and so many hours of watch time. And then you can also add affiliate links in your description, and people can click on those affiliate links and you can make money that way. So there's a couple different ways to monetize on YouTube, and it's a great way to work from home and build up your income.